Do the black keys confuse you? Give me just 5 minutes and I will show you a simple trick to find every black key on your piano. Welcome to this lesson. So if you look at the piano carefully, the black keys always comes in groups of 2 and 3. Always come in group of 2 and 3. This is what I'm trying to say. As you can see, this is the black keys. Now, it always comes in 2s. This is the first group of 2, and the second group of 3. First group of 2, the second group of 3. That is how it's being repeated on the piano. So now, remember we said the first white notes before the first black notes is called C. Because this key is called C, the first black notes of these 2, the first black note is called C sharp. These 2 groups, the first black note is called C sharp. The second black note is called D sharp. Reason because our second white note is D. So after the second white note, the second black note is called D sharp. This one is for the group of 2. Now in the group of 3, I don't know if you're seeing, in this group of 3, remember in our previous lessons we said this is C, this is D, this is F, E, this is F, this is G, this is A, and this is B. So because of this B, A, G, F, E, D, and C. Now, the first, these 3 black, the second group, these 3 black notes, the first black note is called F sharp. Say this is F, this one is called F sharp. Remember, this after F is G. Because this is G, this one is called G sharp. Because this one is G sharp, remember this one is G, this one is A. And because this one is A, this is A sharp. Side note, bear this in mind. The black note has 2 names. Either you call them the flat or sharps. But that one will be in another lesson. I will tell you how you can identify them, how you can know them as flat. Today we are just knowing them as sharps. So this is the first, the 2 groups. The first is called, this is C sharp, this is D sharp, this is F sharp, this is G sharp, and this is A sharp. Practice this for 5 minutes today until you can find every black key on the piano without thinking. In the next lesson, we are going to take what you have learned and start the actual playing. Thank you.